Good morning, judges. My name is Flint and this is my partner. My name is Pio. We are from SK St. Anthony. When we think of pollution, we often envision chemicals that foul the air and water and refuse that piles up in landfills or litter roadsides. One can certainly argue that air, water, and land pollution are foremost in our minds because they directly affect the health and well-being of human beings and other forms of life, including those we depend on for our food. The issues facing Earth are big, but imagine the difference we could make if we all took steps to address them. Learn about the small but important changes you can make in your daily life to reduce your greenhouse gas emissions, save water, help wildlife, and limit pollution. Therefore, in order to create awareness among younger generations, we came up with environmental themed interactive game called as Pop's Adventure. These are the controllers that we have made to control the game. These are buttons. If you press the left button, the character will move to the left. And if you press the right button, it will move to the right. These are the pedals. If you press the left pedal, it will move upwards. And if you press the right pedal, it will move downwards. Now I'm going to show you the coding for the controller. If you press the right button, the Arduino Uno will read digital pin 9 and change the variable Ni by 1. Then, if the variable Ni equals to 1, it will broadcast a message. And the character will receive the message and it will move. And same for the other movement. On this part of this video, we will be showing you a full gameplay of this game and a little explanation of each level at the side of this video.
Level 1. Cleaning the environment. Welcome to Bob's dorm. To start your mission, please exit to the yellow door. Can you burn the rubbish? Hello there, can you help me to collect the rubbish?
Yes.
Thank you. Level 2. Planting flowers and trees.
Will you help to cut the trees? Can you plant some flowers and trees at the garden and at the blue market? You will collect 7 points. Yes. Thank you, but you need to plant the flower first.
Level 3. Answering quiz.